Good morning, Lyndhurst Primary School. Welcome to our weekly assembly. This is when we talk about our theme of the week and we sort of check in with each other, see how we're doing. So you've all been back one whole week and one day because I wasn't in school yesterday. So you've been back 1 week and 1 day. And I guess my question to you is, how's it going? How are you doing? When I've been walking around the school, a lot of things are going really well. You're settled, you're so happy to be back. Yes, we still have some wobbly moments, but on the whole, you're doing really, really well. And I know last week we talked a lot about helping someone with the worry. That was our theme. And we talked about how actually for a lot of us, staff included, there were many things to be a little bit worried about. Want to make sure we've got it all right for you coming back to school. However, now you've been back at school, this week's theme is stopping and thinking when you're angry. Now, I hope you've noticed there it doesn't say stopping and thinking if ever you become angry. It's stopping and thinking when you are angry, because anger is an emotion that we will all feel at some point, all of us. You might be angry in the playground, you might be angry in the classroom, something might happen at home that makes you a little bit angry. It's okay. It's good to recognise when you feel angry, but we want to learn, we want to keep practicing. What are we doing about it? We need to stop, we need to have a little think, and then choose the right decision. So I had a couple of talks last week with some children who didn't stop and think. They were angry about something and they reacted. Now, it was all sorted, it was all dealt with, but we did have a conversation about if you just stop for that split second, if you just stop and think when you're angry, and then it will help you make the right decision, so that it's not just like a reaction to something. And it's hard. It is really hard. It's hard for you children. It's hard for us adults. We get angry. Goodness me, we get angry as well. And we also have to learn to stop and think. How many adults who might be listening to this have, I don't know, been driving somewhere and another driver does something that you really are not happy with because they nearly hit your car? You're going to be angry. But it's kind of, hang on a minute, I'm just going to stop. I'm just going to think, how am I going to react to this? All adults will feel these things and all children do. And what we want you to learn, we want you to really practice and get better at doing is, I'm feeling angry, so I'm just going to stop and I'm going to think, what's the best thing to do? I can ignore. I can go and tell someone, I can walk away, I can politely tell that person, please stop doing that because that's hurting me, or that's annoying me, or you're being unkind. It's really hard. So that's why we practice. That's why we have this theme, so we can really practice. So we stop, we think when we're angry. Have a great week, everybody. If you want to come and talk about that theme, talk to any adults, talk to your friends. You know where my office is and I love seeing you, so please come knocking on my door. Have a great week. Again, I'll give you a weather check. Looking outside, sun is shining. Fingers crossed the rain stays away. Have a good week.